So today we're going to talk about my Fiat Spider. No, not the 1960 DeSoto or the old Trabant. I have one of these. This is like a 2018 Fiat Spider. It has an Italian engine. It was made in Hiroshima, Japan. And some people might run into the same problem what these engines tend to run into. So this one, although it's made in Japan and sort of a Mazda product, it still have a problem with the engine if you let it sit too long. So it's called a multi-port air system in it, and it's got a little reservoir. It's a little squarish looking thing in the cylinder head, and the oil is escaping from it when the engine sits for a long time. So this car was sitting for a good 4 months now throughout the winter. So springtime, it's about time to make it go again, but this is not like an old Mercedes where it can sit for 5 months and it starts right up. This thing has a procedure when you start it and you feel that there is no compression in it. Basically, you have a sound to it, like when it starts, there is no compression in it. So I wanted to show you guys how to start the car if it was sit too long and it doesn't want to start. Okay, so we are inside the car, and now we're going to start by pushing on the clutch and adding full gas. When you put the gas pedal all the way down to the floor, it will cut the fuel injectors. That's how it's been programmed by the factory. And then we're going to start cranking. As you probably heard, there's no compression in the engine. So with the clutch pushed and the gas pedal fully pushed, we initiated the start with this thing. And then we want to hear that the compression comes back. We want to pump up the oil pressure. Once the oil pressure arrives, the compression will become normal. And then we just let the gas pedal go to idle, and then the engine should start right up. So let's try it again. So now you can hear it. It works very nicely. It sounds great. And there's nothing wrong with it. It was made this way. I hope this video helped you to solve the problem with your car if you let it sit in your garage for a long time.
Guarda come dondolo con il twist, con le gambe ad angolo, ballo il twist. Sarà perché io dondolo, saranno gli occhi tuoi che brillano, ma vedo mille lucciole venirmi contro insieme a te. Guarda come dondolo con il twist, con le gambe ad angolo, ballo il twist. Le ginocchia scendono, le mie gambe tremano, forse sono brividi d'amore. Guarda come dondolo con il twist, con le gambe ad angolo, ballo il twist.